Hi everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Cleaning Without Sacrifice. So how to sell Epicure over the holidays. Now, I love the holidays not only because it's the holidays, but I sell more Epicure than any other time. And it's because we have such amazing deals and people are thinking about cooking, about all kinds of things because they have it off, hopefully a little bit, like a week, 2 weeks, whatever, they have it off, they have the time. And Epicure just makes everything look so amazing. So what I like to do is I do a post often. So probably one post every single day where I will just give like stocking stuffer ideas so that, hey, if you're looking for a gift for your teacher or for your kid's teacher, if you're looking for a gift for the mailman, for the bus driver, buy a dip mix or something for like $6, $8, so under 10. That's it. Wrap it up nicely, and there you go. It's perfect. And they are supporting a small business owner, right? So give them ideas of what to do over the holidays. Think of if you were the customer. So I say this all the time, but think if you were a customer. What do you look for? Like I would be looking for easier ways to make mashed potatoes. Perfect example. Show them the recipe for mashed potatoes in our steamers. Let them know we have small, medium, and a large size steamer. Give them ideas. Give them what they're looking for. Turkey, right? Everybody wants gravy for the mashed potatoes with the turkey. Let them know that guess what? We sell that and it's not expensive. You just have to add the power into the water, super easy, and a lot healthier than anything else out there. So give them ideas, let them know we have such amazing holiday collections. Let people know they don't last long. Keep on posting what the holiday collections are, because even if you post it on Monday, not everybody's going to see that. So post again on Thursday. Remind people. People need to keep seeing things before they actually purchase. So good luck. Let me know if you need any help, and good luck making some sales. Happy holidays.